cancer was my biggest fear. Now, finally, I can say I am a cancer survivor. My name is Selena Dagdag Alas. I was a former sportscaster for the Ateneo Blue Eagles, also for PBA. I'm a wife, I'm a homemaker, I'm a believer of Christ. Now, finally, I can say I am a cancer survivor. It was in the early months of 2021 when I was diagnosed with a very rare form of cancer called gestational trophoblastic neoplasia. Back then, I was very much shaken. I remembered walking out of my doctor's clinic, falling into my husband Kevin's arms as I repeatedly cried, "Help me, God." You know, cancer was my biggest fear, and to have it in my 20s was a huge shock for me. So I began my chemotherapy, and naturally with the strong medication, all sorts of complications